Hello everyone, how's it going? So today we're gonna look into how to use the Tendermint RPC batching requests feature that has been supported by Tendermint for quite a while now. And the importance of batching RPC requests is basically the gain in efficiency that you have. So when it comes to RPC queries, usually we always need to be very mindful of how many queries we do, and always, because as we are interacting with the blockchain, there is always some loss of efficiency there, and that's why the batching really helps. Because, for example, instead of sending a single object for every query that you're doing, you can basically just send an array of batched queries. First of all, we should thank both Confio and the Kujira teams as they have been working to enable this batching feature to be used with the CosmJS. Cheers to that. Please look at the work that these teams are doing. Confio created a guide on how to use the Tendermint RPC batching request within CosmJS, and the Kujira team is using the batching for their own applications. So thanks a lot to everyone involved. It's great to see all this collaboration across the Cosmos ecosystem. So you can find also the repositories and links in the description of the video. So yeah, the batching of RPC requests within Tendermint is quite a game changer, because especially in scenarios with high network traffic, then it can be really a challenge to manage the rate limiting and the request volume. So basically, instead of sending out one network request per query, what you would do with the batching, you would collect a number of queries and then you would send them all at once. So this would basically reduce the number of separate network calls that your application needs to make, and this consequently reduces the load on the networks. It's not just about making your application faster, it's about ensuring also that your application can remain stable and efficient even during high usage of it. So in this video we're gonna show how to use this powerful feature with arch3.js, which is an extension of the CosmosJS, which extends its functionalities in order to interact with the modules that Archway provides, as for example the guest tracking module and the rewards module. This batching is really a critical element for building scalable, efficient and reliable dapps. So yeah, let's get into our application. We're gonna see that how to use this powerful batching functionality, and by specifically showing this query. So in the use accounts.ts you can see that there is this query contract smart queries. So yeah, we're gonna use this query, we're gonna query some validators, and we're gonna see the gain in efficiency. So right now we spun up our application, so we just need to wait for the application to be launched. Here is it. So as you can see on the right, on the developer tools in the network tabs, then we can see we have 49 requests. So, and if we look into the payload of each of these RPC requests, we can see all the data that is getting called. So let's see now how to change it to use the batching functionalities. So we can see we just need to change from the connect to the connect with batch client method, and so we are now using the Archway client but with the connect with batch client method. So we spin up our application again, and then we're gonna see a huge gain in efficiency. So let's wait for it, and it is so 25. So 25 instead of 49, and this is a very simple query. So imagine if there is this gain of efficiency for just this very small and simple query. Imagine how much efficiency you can gain if your dapp performs complex queries and needs to retrieve states from different contracts and stuff like this. So this is a big deal, not only for the user experience but also for the feasibility of your application, as interacting with the blockchain is in general quite an inefficient operation. Then you really want to optimize as much as you can. This brings down a lot of the burden on the network. So yeah, thanks a lot again to the Confio and Kujira team, everybody involved, and thanks also for the tutorial showing how to do it with CosmJS. On the description of this video you can also see the link to the docs of the Archway network, where we document how to use the arch3.js. So yeah, make sure to have a look at it, as this is a wonderful way to extend the CosmJS functionalities to interact with the Archway modules, which allow you as a developer to capture the value of the applications that you create by basically managing the rewards and distributing them, and making sure that the more your application is used, the more you get rewarded for it. So yeah, make sure to check arch3.js to develop your contracts, and use the connect with batch client method so that you can batch network requests via arch3.js. Cheers.